Problem 1, solve for x and x plus 5 equals 12. Start with the given linear equation. X plus 5 equals 12. Subtract 5 from both sides to isolate the variable. X plus 5 minus 5 equals 12 minus 5. Cancel the opposite constants on the left side. X plus 5 minus 5 cancelled out equals 7. Simplify the final result. X equals 7. Answer x equals 7. Problem 2, solve for y and y minus 8 equals 3. Start with the subtraction equation. Y minus 8 equals 3. Add 8 to both sides of the equation. Y minus 8 plus 8 equals 3 plus 8. Cancel the terms that sum to 0. Y minus 8 plus 8 cancelled out equals 11. The variable y is now solved. Y equals 11. Answer, y equals 11. Problem 3, solve for z and 3z equals 15. Identify the coefficient of the variable. 3z equals 15. Divide both sides by 3 to isolate z. 3z over 3 equals 15 over 3. Cancel the common factor in the fraction. 3 cancelled out, z over 3 cancelled out. Equals 5. The division on the right is complete. Z equals 5. Answer, z equals 5. Problem 4, solve for n over 4 equals 6. Identify the division by 4. A over 4 equals 6. Multiply both sides by 4. 4 times a over 4 equals 6 times 4. Cancel the 4 in the numerator and denominator. 4 cancelled out times a over 4 cancelled out equals 24. The value of a is determined. A equals 24. Answer, a equals 24. Problem 5, solve for x and 2x plus 4 equals 10. Begin with the two-step equation. 2x plus 4 equals 10. Subtract 4 from both sides. 2x plus 4 minus 4 equals 10 minus 4. Cancel the constant integers. 2x plus 4 minus 4 cancelled out equals 6. Divide both sides by 2. 2x over 2 equals 6 over 2. Cancel the coefficient 2 from the variable. 2 cancelled out, x over 2 cancelled out equals 3. Final value is found. X equals 3. Answer, x equals 3. Problem 6, solve for b and 5b minus 7 equals 13. Write the initial equation. 5b minus 7 equals 13. Add 7 to both sides. 5b minus 7 plus 7 equals 13 plus 7. Cancel the additive inverse terms. 5b minus 7 plus 7 cancelled out equals 20. Divide both sides by 5. 5b over 5 equals 20 over 5. Cancel the 5 on the left side. 5 cancelled out, b over 5 cancelled out equals 4. The solution for b is isolated. b equals 4. Answer, b equals 4. Problem 7, solve for x and 12 minus x equals 5. Identify the equation with a negative variable. 12 minus x equals 5. Subtract 12 from both sides. 12 minus x equals 5 minus 12. Cancel the 12s on the left. 12 minus 12 cancelled out, minus x equals minus 7. Simplify the signs. Minus x equals minus 7. Multiply both sides by minus 1. Minus 1 times minus x equals minus 1 times minus 7. The variable is now positive. X equals 7. Answer, x equals 7. Problem 8, solve for c and 3, c plus 2 equals 18. Identify the distributive property. 3, c plus 2 equals 18. Distribute 3 to the terms inside. 3c plus 6 equals 18. Subtract 6 from both sides. 3c plus 6 minus 6 equals 18 minus 6. Cancel the SIXS on the left. 3c plus 6 minus 6 cancelled out equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. 3c over 3 equals 12 over 3. Cancel the 3 from the numerator and denominator. 3 cancelled out, c over 3 cancelled out. Equals 4. Final result for c. c equals 4. Answer, c equals 4. Problem 9, solve for x in x over 2. Plus 1 equals 5. Identify the constant to move. X over 2. Plus 1 equals 5. Subtract 1 from both sides. X over 2. Plus 1 minus 1 equals 5 minus 1. Cancel the ones on the left. X over 2. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled out equals 4. Multiply both sides by 2. 2 times x over 2 equals 4 times 2. Cancel the 2 from the denominator. 2 cancelled out times x over 2 cancelled out. Equals 8. Final solution for x. X equals 8. Answer, x equals 8. Problem 10, solve for m in 4m equals 2m plus 10. Group variables on one side. For m equals 2m plus 10. Subtract 2m from both sides. For m minus 2m equals 2m minus 2m plus 10. Cancel the variable terms on the right. 2m equals 2m minus 2m cancelled out plus 10. Simplify the left side. 2m equals 10. Divide both sides by 2. 2m over 2 equals 10 over 2. Cancel the coefficient 2. 2 cancelled out, m over 2 cancelled out. Equals 5. Final answer for m. m equals 5. Answer, m equals 5. Problem 11, solve for x in 7x minus 3 equals 4x plus 9. Identify variables on both sides. 7x minus 3 equals 4x plus 9. Subtract 4x from both sides. 7x minus 4x minus 3 equals 4x minus 4x plus 9. Cancel the 4x terms on the right. 3x minus 3 equals 4x minus 4x cancelled out plus 9. Add 3 to both sides. 3x minus 3 plus 3 equals 9 plus 3. Cancel the 3's on the left. 3x minus 3 plus 3 cancelled out equals 12. Divide both sides by 3. 3x over 3 equals 12 over 3. Cancel the multiplier 3. 3 cancelled out, x over 3 cancelled out. Equals 4. Final value for x. X equals 4. Answer, x equals 4. Problem 12, solve for p in 2, 3p minus 1 equals 10. Distribute the 2 first. 6p minus 2 equals 10. Add 2 to both sides. 6p minus 2 plus 2 equals 10 plus 2. Cancel the constant 2's. 6p minus 2 plus 2 cancelled out equals 12. Divide both sides by 6. 6p over 6 equals 12 over 6. Cancel the 6 from the variable. 6 cancelled out, p over 6 cancelled out. Equals 2. The variable p is solved. P equals 2. Answer, p equals 2. Problem 13, solve for x in x plus 2 equals 10. Combine the identical variables. 2x plus 2 equals 10. Subtract 2 from both sides. 2x plus 2 minus 2 equals 10 minus 2. Cancel the 2 on the left side. 2x plus 2 minus 2 cancelled out equals 8. Divide both sides by 2. 2x over 2 equals 8 over 2. Cancel the 2 to isolate x. 2 cancelled out, x over 2 cancelled out. Equals 4. Result for x. X equals 4. Answer, x equals 4. Problem 14, solve for k in 2k over 3 equals 4. Multiply both sides by 3. 3 times 2k over 3 equals 4 times 3. Cancel the 3 in the denominator. 3 cancelled out times 2k over 3 cancelled out equals 12. Rewrite the remaining linear equation. 2k equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. 2k over 2 equals 12 over 2. Cancel the coefficient 2. 2 cancelled out k over 2 cancelled out equals 6. Final value of k. K equals 6. Answer, k equals 6. Problem 15. Solve for x in 5, x minus 1 equals 3x plus 1. Distribute the 5 to the parentheses. 5x minus 5 equals 3x plus 1. Subtract 3x from both sides. 5x minus 3x minus 5 equals 3x minus 3x plus 1. Cancel the variable terms on the right. 2x minus 5 equals 3x minus 3x cancelled out plus 1. Add 5 to both sides. 2x minus 5 plus 5 equals 1 plus 5. Cancel the 5's on the left. 2x minus 5 plus 5 cancelled out equals 6. Divide both sides by 2. 2x over 2 equals 6 over 2. Cancel the 2 coefficient. 2 cancelled out x over 2 cancelled out equals 3. Answer x equals 3. Problem 16. Solve for w in 9 minus 2w equals 1. Subtract 9 from both sides. 9 minus 2w equals 1 minus 9. Cancel the 9's on the left. 9 minus 9 cancelled out minus 2w equals minus 8. Keep the negative sign with the variable. Minus 2w equals minus 8. Divide both sides by minus 2. Minus 2w over minus 2 equals minus 8 over minus 2. Cancel the minus 2 factor. Minus 2 cancelled out w over minus 2 cancelled out equals 4. The value of w is positive. W equals 4. Answer, w equals 4. Problem 17. Solve for x in x plus 4 over 2 equals 5. Multiply both sides by 2. 2 times x plus 4 over 2 equals 5 times 2. Cancel the denominator 2. 2 cancelled out times x plus 4 over 2 cancelled out equals 10. Identify the remaining addition. X plus 4 equals 10. Subtract 4 from both sides. X plus 4 minus 4 equals 10 minus 4. Cancel the 4's on the left side. X plus 4 minus 4 cancelled out equals 6. Answer x equals 6. Problem 18. Solve for z in 4z plus 3 equals 3z plus 7. Subtract 3z from both sides. 4z minus 3z plus 3 equals 3z minus 3z plus 7. Cancel the 3z on the right. Z plus 3 equals 3z minus 3z cancelled out plus 7. Subtract 3 from both sides. Z plus 3 minus 3 equals 7 minus 3. Cancel the constant 3's. Z plus 3 minus 3 cancelled out equals 4. Answer, z equals 4. Problem 19. Solve for y in 2, y plus 5 equals 3y. Distribute 2 to the terms in brackets. 2y plus 10 equals 3y. Subtract 2y from both sides. 2y minus 2y plus 10 equals 3y minus 2y. Cancel the variable on the left. 2y minus 2y cancelled out plus 10 equals y. Reorder for the final answer. Y equals 10. Answer, y equals 10. Problem 20. Solve for x in 0.5x equals 4. Identify the decimal coefficient. 0.5x equals 4. Divide both sides by 0.5. 0.5x over 0.5 equals 4 over 0.5. Cancel the 0.5 on the left side. 0.5 cancelled out x over 0.5 cancelled out equals 8. The calculation is finished. X equals 8. Answer x equals 8. Problem 21. Solve for n in n plus 3 equals minus 2. Subtract 3 from both sides. n plus 3 minus 3 equals minus 2 minus 3. Cancel the 3's on the left. N plus 3 minus 3 cancelled out equals minus 5. The final value of n is negative. N equals minus 5. Answer, n equals minus 5. Problem 22. Solve for x in 2x minus 1 equals x plus 4. Subtract x from both sides. 2x minus x minus 1 equals x minus x plus 4. Cancel the x on the right side. X minus 1 equals x minus x cancelled out plus 4. Add 1 to both sides. X minus 1 plus 1 equals 4 plus 1. Cancel the 1's on the left. X minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out equals 5. Answer, x equals 5. Problem 23. Solve for a in 2a minus 10 equals 0. Add 10 to both sides. 2a minus 10 plus 10 equals 10. Cancel the 10's on the left side. 2a minus 10 plus 10 cancelled out equals 10. Divide both sides by 2. 2a over 2 equals 10 over 2. Cancel the 2 from the variable. 2 cancelled out, a over 2 cancelled out. Equals 5. Answer, a equals 5. Problem 24. Solve for x in 3x plus 1 equals 1. Subtract 1 from both sides. 3x plus 1 minus 1 equals 1 minus 1. Cancel the 1's on the left side. 3x plus 1 minus 1 cancelled out equals 0. Divide both sides by 3. 3x over 3 equals 0 over 3. Cancel the 3 factor. 3 cancelled out, x over 3 cancelled out. Equals 0. Answer, x equals 0. Problem 25. Solve for v in v minus 4 equals minus 4. Add 4 to both sides. v minus 4 plus 4 equals minus 4 plus 4. Cancel the constants on the left side. v minus 4 plus 4 cancelled out equals 0. The right side also sums to 0. v equals 0. Answer, v equals 0.